Hi friends, welcome to this tutorial. Friends, today tutorial we are going to learn how to make sign button, means sign in activity and login activity. So first of all, this is our main tutorial. This is our main activity, and in this activity we are going to make login activity. So first of all, we are create relative layout system and remove all this text. Okay, and in this layout we can take one linear layout with match parent, height match parent. In this linear layout, orientation will be set to orientation vertical. In this linear layout we are going to enter text view, means edit text, wrap content. Not wrap content, this is a match parent and our orientation will be center, then gravity center. This is center. Okay, and we can hint enter your email ID, and we can also set ID version, enter user ID, user email. Next we can create one password version. So click edit text, match parent, wrap content, and hint will be set password. And ID is user password. Okay, and this is too large will be closed, so we can set margin top 10 dp. This is really good, and in these things we are taking two length, means width is 2, so we can take padding 10 dp. This is our padding system. This is looking good, and take one button means 150 dp width and height wrap content. Okay, so text button login. We can set ID login button, and after this one we can set our logo. If you have app logo, then you can set here. So first of all, we can insert app logo in drawable file. So go to file, set YouTube video, and this is our easy coding India logo. This logo copy and paste in drawable file. This is set name logo, and this is updating. And after editing text, you can set image view. Maybe means 100 dp, because we are going to set logo, so 100 dp, and we can give source file src. This is our logo. Look, but this logo is too small, so we can increase size 120 dp 120 dp, and edit text margin will be too close, so we can take margin top 50 dp. This is really good. This is good interface. This is good interface. And one more thing, this is our login activity, but we can make one sign up activity. So go to, you can create one activity. So go to Java file, select click, and create one activity, new Java activity. Take empty activity and name sign up activity and enter. Look, this is our sign up new activity. So in this activity we are going to draw sign up activity. So then we can click here. This is grading, and first of all we can change layout. We can change constant to relative layout, and in this layout first of all we can create linear layout, match parent, and orientation will be to vertical. In this linear layout we can implement text. Okay, first we can implement image view, because we can use logo. Then image view 100 dp, and image source src logo. This is our image, means and this is our gravity. The gravity set center. Okay, after taking image view we can take edit text, means username, then edit text, match parent, wrap content, hint, enter, your name. Okay, but we can see there margin will be too width. So in linear layout we can set padding 10 dp. Okay, this will be good, and take one more edit text, match parent, wrap content, and in this edit text we can take your email id. So it will be written, enter your email id. Okay, this is your email id, and we can take edit text password. So and will be enter your password. This is three things, but we can see there every moment, we can see there everything are not clear. Not clear. So whenever we are taking these things, look, this is text and email and password. This margin is too close, so we can take margin. So first of all we can take logo margin top 50 dp. This is good. Margin top 20 dp. This is good. Margin top 20 dp. And one more thing is here, button. We can take one button size, wrap content, and text will be sign up. This is simple and cool interface. This is sign up button, and whenever if you are already signed up this one, then you can take one edit text one text view. You can directly enter and login button in login interface. So you can take text view, text view, wrap content, and here we can write already have an account, login here. Okay, and you can take margin top 40. This is good, and not 40, 50 margin. Look, I will zoom these things. This is good. You can enter your name, email ID and password, but password and save button will look too close, so we can set margin top 20, but 20 is too close. Then you can take 30 dp. Yes, 30 dp is good. You can go to design and check it. Yes, this is good thing. You can take name, email ID, password, sign up button, and one more thing, text view. In this text view we cannot set ID, and button also not set ID. So ID is equal to sign up ID, user, not user, sign up button. And in text view you can take one ID, already have, look, T view already have an account, login here. Okay, this is good, but this is not valid thing because we can miss this thing. So what did we miss? Okay, no problem. TV login, simple. You can set this ID. We can see this here also. You click this one. You can set here TV login ID, and sign up already have an ID. Password have look password doesn't have ID. We cannot set ID, so we can set ID. User password enter, and email ID we cannot set email ID also, so user email enter, so email will be wrong, user email. Good. Name we cannot set name also, so user name. Okay, all set. This is our image view, not required image view ID. And look once again, whenever this is our username, user email, and these things, sign up button, and this one, this is our sign up button and login button. You can check this one. This is our login button. Then but in this two things is error, margin top is too close, so you can take 20 dp sp, and login button also. The login button we can take margin top 40 dp. And one more thing is missing, we cannot taking sign up button, so you can take text view, Type content hint text sign up, don't have an account, sign up here. Okay, this is good. You can take margin to top, so margin 30 dp to close, so you can take 40 dp, and we can check this pixel, so you can go 24 version, and this is looking good. You can zoom this one. Look, this is really good. Whenever if you never entered, if you not registered this login ID, then you can click this one and you can directly go sign up system. If you go sign up system and you cannot you already sign up this one, you can go back to login button. Okay, this is our system. So next video we can set up this thing, how it will work. So friends, thank you for this video. You can like, subscribe and share this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.